All right. So it's been snowing the last week and raining and cold. So we actually got a decent day today. I think it's bike says 62, but the weather shit says 48 and 50, and so kind of feels like the weather stuff is true. I really don't like this part. So it's a little chilly of a ride, but I'm not gonna suffer too bad. So with the new content that we got coming, we're gonna have more audio because I figured out how to hook my Cardo to the 360. So we're gonna have a lot more audio and commentary and stuff like that. It's gonna be a good time, guys. This is gonna be a good year. And yes, I know for those of you who probably make fun of me because I suck at technology. And yeah, I'm not smart at technology, guys. I do all this stuff for fun. I don't do it for views. I don't do it for likes. I mean, I editing videos, making these videos, it's just for fun. You guys don't like my content, you don't like it. I give you simple stuff. I'm not gonna spend days on end editing all my stuff to make it look badass. And now I might do, like, if I do bike meets this year, I might edit and cut out some stuff and make it entertaining rather than just walking around and showing bikes off and riding and all that. I don't know. We'll see. That's if I do any bike meets this year. I don't know. I might not do it. Because I love my solo rides. I love riding solo. It's less drama, less shit you got to worry about. I don't know. I don't trust group rides that much because people act stupid. I'm too old to be acting stupid like that now. I just like to ride. Occasionally I'll go fast, but for the most part, I'll do 10 over. But that's just to get away from the cagers. Or I might do some pulls. But for the most part, I just ride the speed limit. I don't break too many laws that I know of. And I enjoy the ride. I mean, fuck, it's a beautiful day. A little chilly on the windy side, but you know, it's man, I gotta quit saying that. I know I say you know a lot, and I don't mean to, guys. I'll try to fix it. No. Whew. We'll get there. I'm pretty sure that read both cards. Yeah, multiple cards. I hate that this thing has no gas gauge, fuel gauge. No receipt. Gotta get all that nasty gas out. love that smell. Oh, it smells so good. No, I'm splashing. Quit. How much? That's not bad. I think I was at a half a tank. Yeah, that's going to be hard for me because the 400 had a fuel gauge on it, which you're not supposed to rely on, but I did. And, oh, he's there. I think he works there. I'm in a parking lot. I want to show you guys this. This is the new bike here in town. It's a Ninja 500, I think. 40-year anniversary. Looks nice. It's still got the stock exhaust on it, but it looks nice. Whoa. I gotta go get this thing tuned for the new exhaust. She don't like it. I don't know if I want to get it tuned this year or next year, though. Alright, boys and girls ready? I got the cruise control. Like, I can't express how much I love this bike. This thing is amazing. Like, I know there's other bikes out there that have cruise control, or you can get cruise control on them, but I'm just a Cowie guy. I love my Cowies. Always have and always will. That's not saying, like, if I get a new bike or another bike, I wouldn't go with something else. I might, if I did get another bike, I might go get a Busa. Like, I hated the Busas at first. I hated the way they looked. But, like, I've seen a few of them around town, and I got to spend more time around them. And the more time I spend around them, like, you can customize the hell out of them. But the more time I spend around them, the more I like them. Oh, there we go. A known classic. But yeah, the Busas are growing on me. I don't know why. I hated the way they looked. It's not bad, but I don't know. I also seen a thing about a super Busa, which is I don't know, I can't think of it right off the top of my head, but it's basically a supercharged Busa, I think. I could be wrong, I don't know. Yeah, that wind's a little chilly. Woo! Wonder if I'll see some boys out today. I still gotta learn how to maneuver the bike with no handlebars. I'm pretty sure it's all in the hips. It's like riding a roller coaster. You throw your hands up. It's cool. Like, I can touch the throttle all I want. It would only increase and then go right back. Wow, that was a major voice crack. I'm just hitting puberty. It would increase, and then it would just go right back to what you had it set at. As soon as you tap the brake, it shuts off. Which is nice. I hate these intersections because people want to do stupid stuff and get around these slow guys. My nose itches! And then I just hit resume and it goes right back on. That's what I had it set at. I guess I gotta slow down up here. Oh, my nose itches so bad. We got it. I think we're good. I think we're good. Don't do it. Ah, dang. A lot of people doing a dump run today. Oh, we got a puppy dog! Oh, that's a German Shepherd. Oh, he's so pretty. I love shepherds. I got two of them with a fucking Belgian Malinois. Why are we going so slow? Because you want to hit the red light? Idiot. I kind of miss the way the Rizoma mirrors, Rizoma, however you say them. I kind of miss how they look, but I like having the ability to look behind me without having to strain my neck and back. Too old for that. Might have to go home and wax the visor. She's fogging up! You always got to do a little zoomies. Got to keep an eye on the truck behind us because he's not really paying attention. You got a car in front of us going slow. You got a truck behind us pulling a trailer that wants to go fast. And then you got me in the middle. I love it. Oh, we got it, brother! Brother! That's the first dual sport bike I've ever had. Wave at me. Those guys are worse than the Harleys. They never wave. The Harleys, I actually know quite a few of them around here, and they get along with the sport bikes. I got quite a few buddies that are cruisers and Harleys. They always wave at all of us. We always give each other shit for riding different styles, but at the end of the day, we all care about each other and we all want to go home. I see another puppy. not paying attention on her phone. Hey, we're back at the scene of the accident. This is where I had my hit and run. 0 out of 10. Do not recommend getting hit and hitting the asphalt. That stuff hurts. Don't do it, guys. And you lose your bike. Well, depends. Oh, another brother. Oh yeah, I think he's gonna follow. He's got a nice looking bike. Looks like a Kawasaki, maybe? I don't know. What we got here? Protesters. Oh, another brother. Hell yeah. I like it. Got all the boys out today. Hell yeah, MT-09. I like it. So I was wrong, that's a Yamaha. I don't know my bikes apparently. I do believe this is the third time I've ever picked somebody up mid-ride. Do what?
You going to the Maverick to pick up with the other guys?
No, I'm running chores.
What?
Home Depot.
Oh, okay. I think you're going to be surprised at Maverick to go ride instead, so.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, in about 10 minutes.
Where you guys going?
Probably going to go up Memorial Canyon.
Okay.
So just kind of go all around town.
I might try to catch up later. Appreciate it. I like the bike.
Oh, you too, man.
So he said he's gonna go meet up with some guys and basically go on a group ride. Oh. So he's gonna go up on a group ride, meet up with the boys at Maverick up here in Elko. Sadly, I cannot. He's got a nice bike though. I love that gray, black on the lime green, neon yellow. want to so bad. If he's going to the oh, the casino. That's why I always say never change that name. Should have stayed the Red Lion. Oh yeah, we're seeing everybody out today. That was a Jixer. Ew, I waved at a Jix. Hey, this is a new helmet, asshole. God, I thought he was going. It scared me. I got scared at it. Anyway, so yeah, he's going to meet some guys up. Whoa. At the casino. But like I said, I don't like doing grip rides. I like my solo rides. I like waving to the boys while they pass. Oh, we are packed today, boys. Well, I fucked that shift up. Too heavy here. So, yeah, we got to run in here, grab some stuff for the chores. Puppy dog. Oh, the wife's calling. What's up?
Did you see me?
No, where are you?
I'm behind the little shed, little white shed. I'm trying to get you to turn left when I called you. Turn left, and I thought you moved right now.
What car are you behind?
I'm not behind a car. I'm behind the little shed, white shed, all by itself.
Okay. What?
Back on.
Really?
The,
Really? Hang on. I can fucking hear myself from the truck.
I don't know where you are.
I'm on the other side of the white shed.
Okay, well, come over here.
Okay.
Love you, bye.
Love you. Bye. Hey, wait. Literally right here. Leave it to a woman not to park in the lines. Hey. Were you hearing me just fine? I wonder why. I don't know. All right, well, we're going to go do some chores, guys. So, bye. Maybe.